gonna be opening the Blizzard pack. I'm probably not gonna get anything because I don't have too many tokens, but I don't care. Oh, first legendary Santa Claus. Oh my god! Oh, what? What? The chili chameleon again? Oh my god, that was nothing! Oh my god. What is that? 0.02. It's the rare one again. Oh my god, how many tokens do we have? That was like, wait a sec. That wasn't even 1,000. That was like 800 tokens and we already pulled the chili chameleon. Oh my god. 800 tokens? Oh, okay. Because I want the other chroma, by the way. It's another case where the rare one, I don't like it. But, hey, that's crazy. Yo. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going and hopefully we can get the peppermint bark puppy too, because that would be insane. Alright, that's the second Santa Claus. Okay, that's the third Santa Claus. I'm getting a lot of them. Alright, another Santa Claus. That's good. Ooh, another Santa Claus. Pulling these pretty frequently, too. Another Santa Claus, okay. That's pretty good. Alright, that's the last of our tokens. I'm gonna have to go resell, but that looks like really good in my collection. Just all of that, and then there's this little chili chameleon over here. Ooh, 5,000 down too. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! go! We got both of them. It's the peppermint bark. Let's go. Oh, that's insane. That's crazy. We pulled both of the chromas again. Oh my god. Yes. Spent like 40,000 and didn't even get the 0.05 goldfinch. Then I just get both of these. What? What? Okay, that right there, that is crazy. I mean, how many tokens did that take me? Like, I spent 10,000, and then I spent like another 2,000. That took me like 12,000 tokens, maybe less, to get both of the chromas. Last time it took me around 18,000. So that is insane luck for the seasonal packs. Other than the autumn pack. I don't think I'm ever going to open that one again, but let's go. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, and it's probably going to be much shorter than the last one. So, yeah.